My question is, sometimes we see an office bearer holding a strong opinion against a decision after that decision has already been made by the collective. So for example, in an AMLA meeting. What is Huzur's guidance in this situation?
You see, we, in this present day world, we believe in democracy, right? Once a decision is made by a majority of the AMLA people, that we should try to follow it, right? Obey it. And even it is taken in the Shura. Any decision taken in Shura is a recommendation given to Khalifatul Masih. And all your recommendations come to me here. After my approval, then they are sent back for the respective Jamaat or the concerned authorities for implementation. Right? So it means if they are holding strong opinion against decision of the Shura, that means they are refusing to accept the decision taken by Khalifatul Masih. If they refuse to accept the decision taken by Khalifatul Masih, what is the use of there being an Ahmadi? Sometimes people say it is not Maruf Faisla. And Maruf means any decision which is according to the Holy Quran, which is according to the Islamic teachings, which is according to the Sunnah. Even the Maruf decision term is used in the Holy Quran. So the Khalifatul Masih Awwal has once said that did these people made the list of the Maruf and non-Marufs of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, which of his decisions were Maruf according to the commandment of Allah and which of them were not? They cannot say. So we are actually misconstruing the term Maruf. Right? Maruf means the thing which are according to the whole Quran, commandments of the Holy Quran, and the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and the Prophet Messiah ﷺ in this age. And I don't think any of the Khalifa has ever said anything which is not going according to these things. So, those people who do not follow the decision or speak against the decision and hold strong opinion against the decision of the Shura, actually refusing to accept the decision taken by Khalifatul Masih. So those who are actually holding any strong opinion against decision of Shura, they are in reality refusing to accept the decision taken by Khalifatul Masih. Because all the decisions taken by Shura are approved by Khalifatul Masih. Okay?
Ji, Jazakallah.